Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, the title says it all, so let's get going to Joann's. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, I stopped in at Joann's and they're having a 60% sale on the fall decor they just put out a month ago. Look at this. It's a $70 sign. Now it's $24. So this is a real sale, people. I think the next stop, they start at regular price. They go to these sales, then they go to clearance. So if you got anything you want to get for the fall, I'm telling you, these prices have been dropped drastically. More than 50%, and to me, is always a sale. Look at that. That's a $30 sign. Now it's $12. And everybody know how expensive these stand-up signs are. So these are a big sale right here. Now these tall welcome signs, these ones, they just look like they fall red in the fall with the colors in there. Look at these, $70, and now it's $28. I don't think you're gonna find a better price on those. Those things usually are very expensive. You can see the price, $70. I've seen them more than that. Oh, and here are these throws. I love these throws. They're so cute. I love the colors, the gray, the mustard color, the orange. These are perfect fall colors. So that is $40, 60% off of that. 4, 6, 8, 24 off of that. Okay, so definitely that is a great deal on those. And I love all these fall decorative pillows. I especially love this kind of gold one right here. Happy pumpkin, kind of an orange gold color when you see it in person. 60% off. I can't believe we were here a month ago and they were rolling out the fall decor. Okay, now they're rolling out the fall decor sale. Okay, so now we're back to putting items less than 2 months ago on sale. Now here's some dishware stuff that I don't think I ever remember seeing this before. So it's so pretty. I love this wooden one. That's like all wood, the white wood and then the dark wood, and it's all connected as one piece. So that is adorable right there. So Simply Autumn. I'm wondering if that's their brand. It's regular price $40, so it'd be $16 now. That's unusual. That would be something that you're not going to see everywhere. You might want to pick that up. That is so pretty. I love that wood. Simply Autumn. I have to check and see if that's their brand, in-house brand name. They got table runners. They've got everything here. I love these dishes. And look at these bowls. They're solid wood. Is that not cool? Then they had a bigger one. Nice. Wonder how long it's going to be before they put this in the clearance section, because you know how that goes. First you go regular price, then you go to a big sale, then you go to clearance. And they even had the paper products for autumn on sale as well. Now, if you're going to need paper products for your Thanksgiving because you're having a big family get-together, those napkins were $2. Okay? So just imagine what this other stuff would be. Probably $2, $3, maybe $5 at the most, depending on how many are in a pack. But this is unbelievable right here. Look at that. $10. That would be $4 for that vinyl table cloth. I should say table cover, because if it's vinyl, it's not cloth. And they've got some throws down here also. $40. Okay, these were 2 door wreaths that I saw that I absolutely love. Look at that owl with the moon sitting there, and look at this one. Is that not beautiful? Oh, that was so gorgeous. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, I hope you enjoyed my follow-up to the fall decor sale at Joann's. So please follow me on Instagram, and please leave any questions or comments below. And don't forget to what? Subscribe. We'll see you next time.